Which one's yours and which one's Dad's?
Down the line. They must have had kids messing with these last year or something.
Really?
Well, this rope wasn't here last year.
Oh.
No, both them well, that John Deere and that Ford there's Jason's. Yep.
Cool.
Uh-huh.
56, that's older than mine, which is good. That's
Yeah.
a 44, that's older than me.
Huh.
56 is older than me too.
You recognize that B, don't you?
No, I don't. It looks,
No?
It's a tractor. It's got 4 wheels. You know.
Yeah, boy.
Sorry, I'm not a connoisseur.
You're not interested in this stuff, are you?
It's neat. Do you run it?
Yeah.
If you know, is that Dad's?
That 350? Yeah.
Well, how come it's got your name on it?
Because I can do whatever.
Who said that was Dad's?
Yeah, yeah.
How do you, so, is it styled or not unstyled or whatever, however they...
No, it's just how it is.
Okay. I don't know what the difference is or whatever. But...
Trying to teach non-farmers
Yes.
is hard.
Yes. Well,
it's almost like babysitting an adult. You know?
ooh,
What?
crawlers. That's got a bent blade.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Stay off equipment. Look only.
Huh. Darn it. Hmm.
Put in the road in Midways in Summitt County. First moved to this location.
Huh. Okay.
Come on this way, Wyatt. Turn left.
That's pretty cool.
Come this way. Sidewalk. That's a big John Deere tractor. Yeah. Don't touch.
How come it doesn't have a year? That looks awful familiar.
Does it?
Yeah. It's exactly like mine.
What'd you do? Bring yours down here and not tell me?
No. Played by great grandchildren.
Huh.
I had the loader on it.
Okay.
And you can't get to the battery. You couldn't get the battery out.
Really?
Had to take the whole top. That's why all the sheet metal's off of mine. Had to take that off. Had to take the gas tank off because the loader arm sits right here.
Oh, okay.
Battery, the 6-volt battery is so huge. I had to take all of it out to be able to get it up.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed that 6 volts always turn over slow, and you can never get them. You can never get them going quick enough.
And they don't like to be jumped by 12 volts.
No.
And that's a problem too, because the the
Magneto.
voltage
Voltage regulator.
is right here.
Uh-huh.
You can't get to it to change it, and you blow it out if you stay connected up to 12 volts too long.
Did you know that there's an 8-volt battery?
No, didn't.
Yep. The Suffield Road supervisor, he had to buy an 8-volt battery for a Molina his.
Oh really? Wow.
I never knew there was. I always thought there was just 6 and 12 volt batteries. I never thought that there was 8 volt.
2580 hours. This thing's set outside.
That's it?
Yeah. Well, unless it's been rolled over. 'Cause that's about what ours has on it.
Uh-huh.
Ours is an a lot better shape.
How can you usually tell when they roll over?
I don't know if you can. No, but this is rotted out under here.
Okay.
Different rotted stuff. But it's got 3-speed.
Huh.
Nice tires.
Oh yeah.
I got 800 series tires on mine.
Tires are like brand new.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This thing might have set outside because it's just rusted.
That's hard on stuff to just let it sit out its whole life.
Yeah, and it doesn't have a year on it. Mine's
No.
62. Mine's one of the last ones off the assembly line.
Oh wow.
Because they have the beginning and the end of the year when they made them. They stopped making them in 62, and you extrapolate out where my serial number falls.
Okay.
Falls right around July of 62, which is when I was born.
Ah.
So it's kind of a personal thing too.
Yeah. Huh. Okay. The reason they did the belly exhaust was for cultivating, getting under low trees and stuff like that.
Yeah, because their other ones did make one that comes out here and goes up.
Yep.
I replaced the manifold.
Okay.
It had a crack in it. Through.
Just hoping that I wouldn't say that.
Cool stuff. Yep. Pretty much exactly like ours.
Yep.
Except the transmission and stuff. I got the bigger tires, high weights on mine.
Okay. Huh. That's the wrong end.
It's tied up on the other end. I'm good. There's a big old bar between the two of us.
Huh.
My first calf was half Hereford and half Guernsey, I think.
Okay.
Jersey.
I had a Jersey as a pet.
Which one? Jersey or Guernsey?
Jersey.
She was half Jersey and half. She gave a bunch of milk.
Okay.
We lived on that for a while.
Oh, did you? Huh.
When I was little. We got her as a cat. We got her from Tom Brown next door.
Okay. Little calves?
Yeah. That's pretty cool looking.
Yeah. I like the one in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's a cool looking one.
Looks like it's got like alopecia or something, or whatever that skin disease is that
Yeah.
the pigments are different.
Yep. Oh boy. Did you have fun tonight?
Absolutely.
I did too.
Yay.
Uh-huh.
Take care of your fish.
Yep.
Finding Nemo.
Yes. That's what their names are.